Morning students. Now we are going to start unit 2 for computer. In unit 2 we have chapter number 2, GUI operating system and introduction. Now what is GUI? GUI means graphical user interface. Graphical user interface we are going to discuss in the coming paragraph. Children, do you know who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed. Right, your parents look after all the household activities in such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. It is all because they organize. Organize means they manage. They manage each and every work of your house and run the house with the system. Likewise, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs, all the work done of a computer and makes it run, makes it work properly. This is known as operating system. So these two lines are the definition of operating system. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. For example, of operating system are Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. are some of the most popular operating systems. Basically, an operating system acts as a link between the user and the hardware. This is the second definition of operating system. So, it acts as a link between user and the hardware. This link is called interface. That is link between user, the people who are using it, like for example students, teachers, and the hardware. Hardware means the computer system. So, the link between computer, the hardware and the user is known as interface and also operating system. Now what is user interface? You have learned that a printer is used to print information on a paper. Can you tell the way as to how you communicate with the printer attached to your computer? How do you instruct it to print a document? That means printer is used to print information on a piece of paper. But to print information on a piece of paper, you have to give command to the computer using print command or control plus P. That is called user interface. To give instructions for printing a document, you either type some commands, press a set of keys, or click a few buttons. These commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device or program are called user interface or simply interface. So the commands or menus through which a user communicates with some other external device or program, this is known as user interface or simply interface. This is the definition of interface. Next we have types of user interface. There are two main types of user interface. One is command line interface, also known as CLI. Next is graphical user interface, that is also known as GUI. Now what is CLI? In a command line interface, the user types text-based commands using the keyboard to instruct the computer to take the desired action. For example, DOS, disk operating system. That means everything here is done from starting of the computer to shutting down of the computer using commands only, typing commands only. That commands are typed on text based, that is textually the commands are typed. Second one is graphical user interface. A graphical user interface provides picture oriented way to interact with hardware and software. This includes menus, toolbars, pictures, windows, icons, buttons and other controls that enable a user to just make a few clicks to get the work done. It requires the use of a pointing device like mouse in addition to the keyboard, example Windows. For example, nowadays the operating system which we are using in our computer, that can be of Windows 2007, Windows 2010, Windows XP, Millennium. They are all examples of GUI, that is graphical user interface. Now what is graphical user interface means? Graphical here means that the use of icons are there, use of various images are there. Then user interface, it is easily connected with the users. So we don't have to type any command To start a computer, you just press a button. To shut down a computer, you just have to click on one option. Then there are various menus, many toolbars, many pictures, that is icons are also present, many windows are present. You don't have to type anything actually nowadays. So it is very easy to interact and to operate the Windows operating system. Here in this chapter we are going to learn about Windows 7. Windows 7 is also example of GUI, that is graphical user interface. Now Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, by company Microsoft. That company is world's largest software company. It provides a graphical user interface, also known as GUI, that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. That is the purpose of GUI. That is, the interaction between user and the computer should be very easy, very convenient. Windows got its name from a glass window, as its interface resembles a glass window through which we can see and have different views. Now what does this mean? Windows got its name from the window, glass window. Why glass window? Because through glass window you can see outside what is happening, and from outside also you can take a look inside a room, so you can view different views. That is why Windows name is given. And Windows 7 is the most popular version of Windows and was officially released on October 22, 2009. So till here we are going to do this topic for chapter number 2. Read the topic very carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the group itself. Thank you.